Welcome back to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more Rome research tips and tricks. All the links mentioned in this overview are down below in the description. Also, remember that this video reflects my personal experience using the tool. Today we're exploring Zeta Global. Their website, located at https://zetaglobal.com, presents a comprehensive marketing platform that leverages data and artificial intelligence. Zeta Global aims to assist businesses in connecting with their customers on a deeper level, personalizing interactions, and ultimately driving better marketing outcomes. The platform boasts a suite of tools designed for various marketing needs, including customer lifecycle management, data-driven advertising, and email marketing automation. They emphasize the importance of actionable insights derived from their data analytics, enabling marketers to make informed decisions and optimize their campaigns effectively. A key aspect of Zeta's offering appears to be their focus on identity resolution, which allows marketers to create a unified view of their customers across multiple channels and devices. This allows for more targeted and relevant messaging, minimizing wasted ad spend and maximizing engagement. From what I can see on their website, Zeta Global offers a robust solution for businesses looking to enhance their marketing efforts through data-driven strategies. They highlight their expertise in various industries, suggesting tailored solutions for specific market needs. Further investigation and perhaps a demo would be required to fully evaluate the platform's capabilities and determine its suitability for individual business requirements. Exploring their client testimonials and case studies could provide further insight into the practical applications and potential benefits of partnering with Zeta Global. They seem to position themselves as a valuable partner for businesses seeking to navigate the complexities of modern digital marketing, and their emphasis on AI-powered personalization is certainly in line with current industry trends. I encourage you to check out their website at https://zetaglobal.com to learn more and see if Zeta Global might be a good fit for your marketing needs.